Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the eufy alarm system 8-piece kit, a wireless security solution that promises to keep your home or business safe and sound. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the eufy alarm system is all about. This kit comes with everything you need to create a comprehensive security setup, including a home base 3, motion sensors, door/window sensors, and a keypad. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it perfect for anyone looking to boost their security without the hassle of complicated installations. One of the standout features of this system is its easy installation and usability. All devices come pre-configured, which means you can set it up quickly and efficiently, without needing to be a tech expert. Just plug in the home base, place your sensors, and you're good to go. Another impressive aspect is the instant alert system. With the eufy security app, you'll receive notifications as soon as motion is detected or if there's a breach in your security. This feature ensures that you're always in the loop, no matter where you are. When it comes to arming and disarming your system, the eufy alarm system makes it incredibly convenient. You can do this in seconds by simply keying in your password or using the app on your phone. This ease of use means you can secure your property quickly, which is crucial in an emergency situation. Now, let's talk about storage. The eufy alarm system comes with a massive 16 GB of built-in local storage, which can be expanded up to an impressive 16 TB. This means you won't have to worry about monthly fees, and you can enjoy faster response times and complete data privacy, as all your footage is stored locally. So, who is this system suitable for? Whether you're a homeowner, a small business owner, or even renting an apartment, the eufy alarm system is versatile enough to meet your security needs. It's especially great for those who want a reliable system without the burden of ongoing costs or complicated contracts. In practical terms, imagine being able to monitor your property while you're on vacation, or receiving alerts when your kids come home from school. You can customize the system to send notifications for specific events, like when someone opens a window or when motion is detected in your backyard.